So one tool that I really like to employ for stimulating creative energy and overcoming blocks is just going for a short phenomenological walk. So how a phenomenological walk is different than just a regular walk is that with phenomenology, you just tune into your surroundings. You really focus on the world outside of yourself. And it's a good tool for observation. What do you see? What do you smell? What comes up? What occurs around you with all of the other species that we're constantly surrounded by? And getting that worm's eye view of the universe can really help us to stimulate creative flow, to strike a balance between self-care and everybody else care. And I don't know if you can see, my puppy just took off, but I find dogs to be a wonderful guru as phenomenological experts. And I often take them out and just let them lead the way. So this is the valley where we live. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. Okay, thank you.